We never forget the first time we tasted this crispy rice salad. The flavors surprise us and immediately delight us. Take 400 grams of jasmine rice. Wash it 3 times. Add 400 grams of water. Cook it. To flavor the rice, I prepare a simplified curry paste. Remove the seeds from the dry sweet red chillies. Soak them for 20 minutes. Finely mince 10 grams of lemongrass, 4 kaffir lime leaves, 50 grams of shallots, 2 garlic cloves. Drain and wipe the chillies. Finely chop them. In a mortar, crush the ingredients of the curry paste in the following order. First, the chillies with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then, the lemongrass and the kaffir lime leaves. Finally, the shallots and the garlic. The curry paste is ready. The rice is cooked. Fluff it up. Then let it cool. In a mixing bowl, put a curry paste, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 egg. Mix. Add the cooked rice, 150 grams of minced pork, 50 grams of desiccated coconut. Mix again. Make balls of about 5 cm in diameter. Compact them firmly to prevent them from breaking when frying. Fry the balls at 180 degrees Celsius. Let them for 12 minutes on high heat. Move them from time to time. Be careful, don't overfill the pan with oil, because during cooking, some bubbles may overflow. If they get very big, slightly reduce the heat. After about 12 minutes, the rice balls are golden brown. Take them out and put them on the rack. Also fry some dry chilies for 20 seconds. Shred 200 grams of fermented pork. It is called som mu in Laotian and Nem Thadeua in Vietnamese. It is tangy and has a delicious garlic flavor. Mince 50 grams of shallots, 40 grams of spring onion and 25 grams of cilantro. Squeeze a lime. Cooking the rice in bowls allows to get buff, crispy and tender rice. In a large container, roughly break up the rice balls, leaving bigger crispy pieces. Then add the fermented pork, the shallots, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of lime juice. Gently mix. Taste, and if necessary, you can add some fish sauce or lemon juice. Finally, add the spring onion and cilantro. Briefly mix. The Nem Thadeua crispy rice salad is ready. We like eating Nem Thadeua with salad and mint leaves. Bon appétit! Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.